Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less. Here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us. This one just became available. What we've got here is a 2008. It's a Mercedes-Benz C300 4Matic. It's a sport package car, which you can tell by the body kit and that front grille, flat hood ornament there. Only 64,000 miles on this. And it is a 4Matic all-wheel drive model. Take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about this one. Exterior color is a light gray. I believe Mercedes would have called it Palladium Silver this year. You can see it's got the sunroof up there, nice sport wheels on it, and excellent condition overall. Again, only 64,000 original miles on this one, so nice and clean. Interior is black in this one, and it does have great equipment. This one does have factory navigation, which is nice. Pops up right out of the dash. Does have Harman Kardon audio, heated seats, satellite radio, Bluetooth, all the good stuff. And again, only 64,000 original miles on it, so nice low mileage example. In excellent condition. Take a look here at the driver's side, also super nice. So you can check out all of the details, pictures, Carfax report, history, window sticker information, all that stuff on our website at eimports.com. That'll be available in the next day or two. Any questions about this one? If you want to own it, give us a call here at the dealership, 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.